Hey, what's going on, family? It's Cornez. It's Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm talking about generational wealth, making money online, and things of that nature. But let's go ahead and get into this, family. Check this out. If you are looking to make some money online, the simplest thing that you can do is create content. Create content. Content and data is what's running everything right now. It's what's running the algorithms. It's what's running the internet. It's what's running YouTube. It's what's running Facebook. It's what's running Google. It's what's running all this stuff, okay? The reason that you can go search for something on Google or Amazon and then you see it on your Facebook feed and timeline and in your Instagram chats and everything, look, content and data, okay? Now, what does that mean? That means the simplest thing you could be doing is creating you a channel, all right, that, you know, around something, all right? You got all this stuff out here, okay? You could be the next Shade Room. You could be the next World Star. You can be the next whatever you want to be, all right? You can be the next podcast, all right? You can be the next relationship coach, all right? You can teach people how to, survive out here, how to grow their own food. You can do anything you want to do, all right? You can put out content, once I said again, music. You can put out things that people need, want to see, and what they're entertained by. Don't get fooled by all these artists, everything going on out here. Look, entertainment sells, gossip sells, sex sells. I'm not telling you to be immoral, you understand me? But I do get it that everybody got to eat out here. So pick your lane, create your content, provide massive value, all right? Because at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? You got to eat. You got to eat. You got to eat. So this video was just quick to say, create you some content and stop playing, man.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?